Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. All right, so for today's video, I am going to be cash exchanging some money out of my funds here. I'm also going to move my retirement money out so that it's not all in one place. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. So I typically do these with my end of the month update, but there's so much to exchange. I just felt like they needed to be separate videos this month. So let's go ahead and get into these and see what we can exchange. I'm actually going to go, this is where I keep my retirement money for now. But I'm going to go ahead and grab some 1K slips just in case I need those as well. So we'll sit those up here at the front. So the first fund we're going to go ahead and exchange is my savings. So as you can see, I already have $4,000 in the bank for this fund. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So we already have $1,000, we know. So this definitely needs a 1K slip, but we're going to try to take out as many small bills as we can here. So let's start from the back. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Okay. So we're going to grab a $100 bill. And I think that's it. We can actually exchange 2 of these 50s for 100 as well. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So this 100 will be deposited into my savings account for my sinking funds. And I'm actually going to grab a 1K slip here to replace that $1,000 so that I know when I look into my sinking fund savings account, 5,000 of that belongs to savings. So we now have $5,201. Okay. And this just helps so that you're not carrying or keeping so much cash on your person. And it also is gaining a little bit of interest in your high yield savings account as well. Credit repair has 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So we know this can be downsized as well. But however, I am going to keep this in this envelope until I'm ready to pay. Just because this will get deposited into a separate account. I pay everything like credit related with my bill account. So there's 10. So we won't be able to downsize any 5s, I don't think. So 10. Nope. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's do that first. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,250, 1,270, 1,280. And like I said, I won't be adding a 1K slip here for my own personal preference. My throat is so dry. Because I'm a mouth breather. Manifestations will be receiving. What am I doing? Not receiving. So this money won't be exchange for a 1K slip either, because this is what I will be stuffing my apartment binder with. So I think it's pretty good. I don't need to. Let's see. I can do these 2 20s and 10s for a 50, but I want to keep a few 50s in case I want to add a little bit to other funds. So emergency fund, I'm pretty sure we can probably break this one down too. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900. Nope, doesn't have 1,000 yet. So we can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. And then let's do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. So we can also do 20, 40, 50. Yep. I need some more 50s, I guess. I didn't know I had so little. So we're all good here. An emergency fund. Healthcare. I don't know if I'm going to mess with healthcare. I will take these two 50s. Again, that's another one that I keep in cash because I do cash pay at the doctor's office. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Let me do these two 10s for a 20. Just in case I need smaller bills while I'm there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,180. So that's pretty good for that fund. Fitness. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 400, 410, 420. So first things first, we're going to take these two 5s and this 10. Exchange that for a 20. And let's do this 100. So 50, 90, 100. So we have 420 in fitness, which I was just saving up for an under-desk treadmill, but I actually got that sponsored, so that money will be going elsewhere. I won't be messing with my 52-week challenge money. It's fine. So that's all for this binder. Up next, let's go to our peekaboos, which I know need to be exchanged. So let's look in travel. I don't think this has 1,000 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 970, 990. Well, prove me wrong. 1,000. So let's take two 10s for a 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 1,000. So we're gonna grab a 1K slip here, and now we have $1,025 in our travel sinking fund. Let's see, my miscellaneous fund here. I'm gonna take those 4 5s for a 20. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we now have 160 in here. Alrighty, my funds. Again, we're gonna go ahead and exchange out those 5s for a 20. And then we're gonna exchange these two 20s and a 10 for a 50. So we have 150 in this fund. My holidays envelopes. Okay, so let's look in Halloween here. Halloween has $11, so we'll leave it. Christmas. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 550. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $120. So that's 80, 90, 100, and 20. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670. And 4th of July here, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So we will turn these two 20s and a 10 into a 50. So 150, 70, 90. $190 in our 4th of July. And y'all, I'm working on getting these made. Don't worry. I just be having a lot going on. So car maintenance. Let's see. So there's 500. So 250s here for 100. 600. Let's see. 650. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we'll take this here. So 20, 30, 40, 50 for a $50 bill. And then we'll exchange these two 50s for 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40. So I have $740 in car maintenance. Boobies, I believe, needs a 1K slip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,050, 70, 90, 1,100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 250s for 100. So there's our 1,000. Take these 220s and a 10 for a 50, which we will put back for another 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000 will be going towards our savings. So we know we have $1,100 in our breast reduction fund. Month ahead, I'm going to downsize just a little bit, these 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'll do these 2 5s for a 10 as well. Okay, just because some of this money will be going to the bank. Actually, in the next video. All right, so giving has, let's see, we can downsize giving. Let's take these 2 5s and this 10 for a 20. So 65. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 115. So I'll take 115 here. So we now have 100, 200, 10, and 15. This is one I use for birthdays or just, you know, whatever. I may add this up with my family time envelope to go travel to go see my niece this coming up weekend. We'll see. So family time hands. Let's see what we can do here. Nothing, I don't think. Nope, we gotta leave it. It is what it is in there. 401k I don't think can be downsized any. We can do these 250s for a $100 bill. First of all, what? Okay. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1,700 of that will be going towards this retirement envelope here. This is where I keep my retirement funds until I'm ready to invest them. Trying to get the freaking account opened. So anyway, it's going with this other retirement money here. Just to keep my envelope from falling out, because when they get too full, they start falling out there. So here is the rollover money for next month. So that 130 will go towards May's contribution. So that's pretty good. It's feeling much more compact now, which is what I love to see. And I think that's all I'm going to be breaking down today. I think all of the rest of my envelopes are pretty good. I don't really like to mess with my savings challenges because they're doing okay. And I believe my bill binder is okay as well. So back to my savings account from sinking funds. We will be taking, so let's go ahead and break this down too. So 50, 60, 70. So we'll take this and grab 100 as well. So back to the bank, we'll be taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $3,000. So this $3,000 will go to my sinking fund savings account. And then the rest of these bills will go back to my savings. I pulled that first set of $100 bills from my savings account to do this cash exchange. So we will be taking back 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hold on, y'all. I can't stand. All right, so back to savings we'll go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4,000. Okay, set one of those aside. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 80, 99, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5,000. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5,300 will be going back to the bank. Alrighty, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. You'll have a really good day. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba ba da ba, yeah. Set the potato.